they've been trying to get the flour business of this pizza chain. So 10 years, wala pa ako nun. Pero they failed. They kept on failing. So when I joined San Miguel, inaral ko talaga yung ano, of course yung kailangan ng company, yung kailangan ng pizza chain. I talked to the purchasing head. So nag-build ako ng relationship talaga with the purchasing head. Nag-build ako ng relationship dun sa supply chain. Nag-build ako ng relationship dun sa auditor. So lahat talaga pinupuntahan ko. Even yung purchasing team nila, grabe yun. Yung purchasing team nila, mga 20 sila. So iniisa-isa ko sila.
Wow.
Iniisa-isa ko sila. Eventually, after 6 months, I started from scratch. Kasi tapos na yung deal eh. Wala, parang natigil talaga, hindi natuloy yung ano. Kasi nga they kept failing. Within 6 months, na-close ko yung deal. I was able to get the flour business of that one big pizza chain.